create. I was young and I was foolish, wasn't ready for a heartbreak. I got in too deep, but believe me when I say I tried 100